Hello my dream team, today I'm here with my baby Boo Boo. Boo Boo is here with me today. Today is another day, another Sunday. Let me live Boo Boo. We're here together again with different food, with different good stuff. Keto, low carb, diet food. I'm gonna show you something that we all love it. What it is. Burger. We all love burgers, so I'm going to cook burgers today with a keto friendly diet. But my main focus today is a burger buns, so that is my main focus today. For the other rest of the patty, you can put chicken, you can put beef, you can put whatever you want. We can put like veggies, but it's not like veggies, it's not like high protein. So but you can put the bacon, everything, grilled onion, whatever you want it, but low carb. Just imagine, just remember, low carb. The main idea of burger is like always burger has like a bread in it, so the buns are high carb. It comes with flour, so flour is a high carb. So what I'm going to do today, make our own version with almond flour. So let's go and see how can I do it. Without further ado, let's go here. For our ingredients, we have 6 ingredients for the buns. One of them, just a little bit of stevia. I show you how much. And then I have almond flour. As I said, I have baking powder, I have salt, and I do have eggs, and also melted butter. I put it here. At first, I'm going to put 4 eggs. 2, 3, and 4. I put 3 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of stevia. That's your preference. I put a little bit, just a pinch of salt. For my butter, 5 tablespoons of butter. 1 tablespoon butter. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1.5 cup of almond flour. 1 cup. This is half a cup. Okay, now let's mix it. Now it's well mixed. That's our buns. Right now, let's make sure your oven is heated for 350 degrees. We're gonna put it for around like 15 minutes to get cooked. I have these 2 bad boys. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter spray. Okay, I put a little bit of butter spray on them. And then I am going to make my buns. Already preheated. And this is done. Let me go with the second one. Now I'm gonna put them in the oven. So I just want to make it everything quicker. I have this one here, but I still have rooms here. I'm going to make a bacon. Put it 2. Good to go. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to make my other ingredients for the burger, so I'm gonna make it quicker. I love grilled onion, so that's my onion. I used 1 small size onion. I put it in the pan. I don't add, at first, I don't add any oil. I hold it. When it gets a little bit dried, then I'm adding my oil to it. So I put it on there. Now it's time to add our oil to it. So I added my oil and turn it down a little bit. But before that, I'm putting a little bit garlic powder. I'm putting a little bit cayenne. A little bit paprika. Now I turn it down, close the lid, and I wait it for some minutes to see how it goes. Our patties, I chose this patty, which is like a beef patty, comes with onion in it. I have my 2 patties. I'm taking 2 patties from here. I'm going to make 2 burgers today. So 2 patties. I put the rest of my butter in here. I want to make my patty with butters. And I turn it down. Okay, first patty. This time, I'm going to chop my mushrooms and add it to the grilled onion. I use 4 mushrooms here. Okay. And then I'm adding to the grilled onion. Mix them up together. Then I'm going to add a little bit of salt, just a pinch. Then I'm going to close this lid and I'm going for the rest of the ingredients. For the rest of the ingredients, I'm using tomatoes, kosher dills, 1 tomato, 3 small kosher dills, and all chopping part is done. Nice and shiny gold grilled onion. Okay, we're almost ready. Now I have my cheese, provolone cheese. I add it to the patties. And also our buns is ready as well. So let's take Okay, our buns is ready. Our bacon is ready. Everything is ready. Let's serve them. Let's make our big ass burger. Like this. It's our burger bread. Pretty dope. That's something. What it is. Okay, let's go for our burger here. Put a little bit of mayo, sriracha, and I'm going to take one patty. Okay, also our bacon. Then grilled onion with mushrooms. Then I'm putting onions with dills. So we have our big ass burger here. We're all done. That's our burger. That's our keto friendly burger. Looks delicious. Oh my god, can't wait to eat it. Oh my god, look at this, all juices everywhere. And this is our bread. This is our bread. So let me test it. Pretty good. I ate it. I loved it. So, this is our end of our video. And thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for all your support. And I see you next Sundays. I see you all. Just remember, this is our Ketology. Ketology is on fire. Peace.